Where's the gasket? There's a gasket that goes in here. Off that old one right there. Don't not forget that. We will be crying. Put it in? Usually just let's hang this middle. Whoa.
Yeah, I was gonna hang it.
Get this.
Go here where you hang it.
Oh, let's hang it first. Let's hang it first.
Okay.
There. So.
Good situation.
There. That part goes in last. They're all.
Oh. Can we hit them?
Tighten them. Whew. Okay. Let's see. I got move.
No, I think it's crossed. Okay. Just you holding up on it.
There you go.
Should there not gasket between any of that?
There's the gasket's on the pipe.
Okay.
There's a gasket on the pipe. There's a gasket here. There's like a
donut.
I call it a donut. You can see it if you come with the camera. Right there, you see it?
It's a round donut.
It's a little round donut. It's right there. Make sure that's in there. Usually on the older cars, they get it rusted out completely. Where you hide the pliers?